I sure hope you can hear that. There's something banging around that exhaust. We got Flowmaster. I just chopped them and put them in. Doesn't look that great. Clamps up rusty. And there's an exhaust leak right here. And there's exhaust leaks around this one. Like I said, the exhaust was rattling. It looks like crap. Let me show you. Like they literally just like chopped parts, stuck pieces in, welded it all together, and it's making weird noises. I don't think it's any good. I'm gonna take it off. A new Flowmaster setup, the American Thunder series. Hopefully that will sound better. And also, it kind of gets rid of these squared tips, which I really don't like. I think they're super ugly. I'll let you decide. I'll pull it out, show you the two. If you like the square better or you like the round better. We'll do a comparison. We're just opening the big box.
Yeah, big box.
Because my son wanted to open it.
Big box.
Yeah, big old box. What's in it? What's in it? Let's check. Let's check. Okay.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Yeah!
No way!
Your team.
My ting?
Yeah.
Nice! Look at that ting! Wow! That's gonna open her up. None of this 2.5 inch, we want 3 inch, baby!
Yeah.
Well, fuddy dud, 3 sticks in the mud. The exhaust didn't have its clamps. They have not shown up yet. Okay, this is what I was afraid of. Something was leaking. I kept getting some drips. And hopefully we can just fix it. So with that being the case, we're going to tackle the real differential. The front pinion seal up here is leaking and throwing all the goo. You can see the burnt fluids on the exhaust. It's been going for a while. So we're going to take this off, take the yoke off, take the nut off, slide it all out. Got that new seal. All right, guys, here it is. The seal we all been waiting for. All right, guys, we got a change of plans. This exhaust is in the way. I gotta take it off anyways. Okay, so it's not too difficult. You got these little clamps, 15 mil. Zip them both off. I'll set it down on this tray since I'm by myself. Try to pull it out of the hangers up here, all the rubber hangers. Pull it out, put a strap on it so it can like hold itself up so it doesn't fall on me. Okay, changing plans again. Can't get it down far enough, so I need to take this tray off next. And I got a strap on it so it doesn't fall on my head. Yeah, that strap really, it must have slid. I'm close. Over here struggling. Getting these stupid things off. Oh my goodness. Look at all the water. And the exhaust. Alright guys, out with the old and with the new. Those things look slick. So who wants to hear open headers? Got the Allen bolts out. Okay, we got the nut off. Now I gotta just pull the yoke out. Seal should be behind there, and hopefully we can get it fixed up. Alright guys, here's the dilemma. So my Polar is literally you know, half an inch short on all the arms. So here is some scrap. I drilled these 3 holes to match what's on the yoke. One of this one and this one will hold this onto this plate, and hopefully we can pull it out. The hole worked out here to hold it. And look, it's almost out. There's tools working. Well, there you have it. Got it back together. So that took a long time. Alright guys, doesn't that look great? Test fitting the exhaust here. First side on, fits in the plastic. Hangers are great. That's gonna look so much better. Gonna do a time lapse, see if we get the exhaust in. So here's some of the problems I'm having. Like, this will slide over, that's great, but it's literally full of like metal shavings. Sucks. I missed a weld on the seam. It's even marked with an arrow, which means they know they missed it. And this side, with me already bending it out with a spacer, is still not quite close enough. We're a 1/4 inch off. We're getting closer, but man, it's kind of annoying. Alright, Flowmasters are our Go Master now. Hopefully not a No Master. We got the clamps, factory clamps for these up here. We don't have any clamps for this section here or for this section. Looking pretty good. Now I got everything kind of in place. I think we're doing alright. Alright, the car is down. First startup with the exhaust not completely clamped together. It definitely sounds sturdier. And once I can get the rattling stopped with my clamps, it'll be a lot better. Alright guys, it's officially official. Less than 24 hours. The clamps have shown up. So now we got the exhaust in correctly. Bolted in. Hopefully no rattles. 3-inch cat back setup all the way out with the old Flowmaster American Thunder Series dual round tip setup. Doesn't that look so much better? Alright guys, a lot of stuff has happened. We got the exhaust on. We got the rear pinion fixed. We got everything torqued down, wheels on. I took it for a quick test drive, even with the exhaust half on. Fluids are good, rear diff's good. It runs and drives, nothing crazy. I think we're there, we're ready to race. Less than 24 hours before we leave and we get down to Vegas for LS Fest West. It's gonna be awesome guys.